Hello, Sebastian from socialanxietysolutions.com. I am a social confidence coach who sitting in an airport making a quick video. So this is your social anxiety tip of the week. The video was liked by a bunch of people last week, so I'm going to keep this really nice and short. And just wanted to talk this week about the power of questions. And I got this from good old Tony Robbins. And he says how your focus is controlled by the questions that you ask yourself. And so you can ask yourself lousy questions, which leads you to come up with lousy answers, which results in lousy feelings. And so in order to change your focus, to shift your focus, you want to ask yourself better questions. So if you're struggling with social anxiety, common question that you might ask yourself is, why can't I overcome my social anxiety? And your brilliant brain will give an answer to any question that you ask it. So if you ask that question, it will come up with answers. Well, because nothing ever works for me. Well, because I'm doing it wrong. Well, because I'm a tough case. Well, because I should be doing this and I'm not doing that. And so on. And so you'll get all these answers that will confirm why indeed you can't overcome your social anxiety. So my tip is to change that question around. So why is it that I will overcome my social anxiety? And then see what comes up for you, and then post your answer below the video or write it down for yourself. Okay? And the more often you ask yourself that question, the better answers you get to that, and that will give you a proper focus that will make you feel better, that will make you take more action. Okay, so I hope that's been helpful, and this is something that you can apply across the board. So that applies to any area of your life. You know, ask yourself empowering questions and notice how that shifts things for you. All right, hope it's been helpful. You get my free social confidence starter kit where I guide you through a bunch of exercises to release some of your social anxiety. Go to socialanxietysolutions.com and click on the tab Overcome Social Anxiety. Righty, I will talk to you next week. Bye for now.